Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share this haul with you guys. So this is kind of a year-end haul. This video was pending since a very long time. Few products I got like 10 days back, but again I wanted all the products to be delivered and then I wanted to shoot this video. But then I realized that ordering stuff and shopping is a never-ending process. So by the time I got few products, कुछ और ही मैं order कर ले रही थी. So I just wanted to show you guys what all I've got till now. So yeah, let's begin with this video. I've also tried shooting this video few days back when I had a very beautiful makeup, not like this bad face. But then things happened like, hey everyone, hello and welcome up. You will also find a lot of pink color products because I just felt that it is cute. I was willing to purchase few beauty tools, few skincare stuff, but again I found few more products in pink color, so I thought why not. So first I have this very cute pink comb. So this is a hairbrush and again the shape is curved shape which sits on my scalp very nicely. It doesn't give that pain or harsh comb thing, and this small dotted round shaped dots in the bristles will actually improve the blood circulation as well. Next I have another hair care tool. So this is the oil container, or maybe you can fill in with some water. People like to put rosemary water, hibiscus water, whatever you want, or maybe mix your oils, and it is so easy to apply the oil or the water, whatever it is, into your scalp so efficiently. Next I have this exfoliating gloves. You can just put in your hands and you can exfoliate your body. How convenient it gets. And then we have a lot of clutches. So this is the pink clutcher. I have these in few other colors as well, like yellow, orange, white. Then I have this very cute bow hair clutcher. I'm using one right now. Then we have this butterfly clutcher, and this is more of a plasticky thing. I didn't like the quality. But then I'm having this pink color clutcher. It's covered with fur and it's very soft, very furry, very cute for winter especially. Again, I don't think getting so much of clutches are a waste, because we do tend to lose our clutches here and there. So now it's very easy for me. At least this will last for more than a year for me. And then I've got this no bend clips. Basically, while doing your skincare or makeup, if you think your hair is messing up, so you can just tuck it in like this and it will not give that pervy texture. So this is why it is named as no bend hair clips. And yeah, again there are so many colors that I've got. It came with a pair of 4 or 5, I believe. Then I have the most useful stuff. This is basically a silicone facial tool. So basically it has bristles and this patterns, dotted patterns to like clean and exfoliate your face, and then it has this silicone applicator to just apply your face. Since it is made up of silicone material, it is easy to apply as well as clean afterwards. Then I have this pink color body brush, and it's just to lather up your soap or your shower gel. Again, very cute. Next is this makeup removal pad. I have one from Miniso. I actually have 2 makeup remover cloth from Miniso, but I wanted something in this round shape so I can remove the face mask, or maybe if I'm applying a mud pack or detan, so this will be very handy to use. So I've also got a scalp brush. So basically if you want to exfoliate your scalp or maybe lather up the hair cleanser, so this works very good. Then I have this again trendy cloud hairband, which you must have seen people using it. It looks very cute. I have got this wristband. So basically while doing skincare, if you tend to wet your clothes, so you can just use it, so it will soak in the water, whatever is flowing from your palm. It's so easy and it's so practical. This came with a set of 2, pink and beige color. It's not beige actually, it's kind of off-white. So that is why I've got the pink cloud hairband to match this one. And then I have got this beige of white facial headband so that it can match the other color. And then I have brought these two deos from Rexona. These last very long and the fragrance is very good, so just stocked up. I also have got a few razors. These are for my face and this is for my eyebrows. So for a very long time I have been cleaning my facial hair using a razor, and yes, it does not change the texture or the length of the hair. I have so many videos on how to shave your face. I've also got an eyebrow razor after a very long time. So earlier I used to shave my eyebrows, like I used to shape them using a razor itself, but again I've started visiting these salons and the eyebrow lady has ruined my eyebrows like anything, and as you can see the shape is totally disgusting. So yeah, I'm not gonna trust anyone for at least a decade now. Dot and Key spot reduction. As you can see, I have a lot of blemishes, so I just wanted something to like remove the pigmentation, and Dot and Key products, I love it. And this is the Cica 10% niacinamide. I have used the Cica night gel, which is very calming, so I got this. Then I have got this Aroma Magic anti-acne calamine pack, again to calm down my skin. My skin has been going through a very tough time, maybe some hormonal changes, lot of acne, blemishes and so on. So I just wanted few products to just calm my skin down. I have this Earth Rhythm night cream. So this has retinol in it, because of which I have chosen it. So I'm proceeding towards end of 20s, so maybe I should include a lot of retinols into my skin now. Then I've also got a few products from Khadi Natural. I have used their shampoos, I have used their hair serum. It is very good. So I wanted to try few natural face packs. So my skin does not allow any natural face pack, but still I wanted to again give it a shot, because our skin tends to change with time. So maybe it will work very beautifully this time. Let's see. So the first thing I've brought is the 100% natural fruit face pack. Then this is the neem and tulsi face pack. I've got the rose and orange face pack, and lastly the sandalwood one. I will definitely try out all these products and will be sharing a review again later after using it for a good amount of time. Now I have this Nature's Papaya face pack, which is for depigmentation, again because of these babies, and I have used Nature's products for a very long time and they have never disappointed me. So yeah, again this one. Next I have got another night cream. This is from Conscious Chemist. It is the Defender. So this also has a retinol, and I wanted to try products with retinol to just understand how my skin like reacts to it and what changes it will bring into my skin. So I'm excited to try these ones. I have this scalp scrub now from Pilgrim. I have this itchy scalp and dandruff and stuff, so this will be my go-to nowadays. Then we have this Nykaa Wanderlust body scrub, and Nykaa body range is so good. It has a good amount of fragrance and I love their fragrance. I don't have any problem with it, but if you are someone who does not like fragrance or is allergic to it, then you should avoid these products. This is the Dove exfoliating scrub. I have seen people hyping it like anything, so I had to get one. I have used the Dove hair mask long back and it was very nourishing, very hydrating, so I wanted to restock it. I don't know where I lost the tub, so I just got one again. Since we are talking about Dove, here comes this jumbo. This is the Dove shower gel. No doubt this will help me to pass the winter season. I genuinely have not tried lot of M-Caffeine products, so this time I wanted to give it a shot. So I've got their coffee body sugar. I have also got their M-Caffeine coffee body wash. And this is the Caffeine Choco Body Lotion. Also got the M-Caffeine lip tint. So basically it is a pH tint. According to your skin's pH, it will give you a slight tint. I've tried this product, not much happy. I didn't see any difference with the tint, whatever it is. So I'm now scared of how the other products will work. Fine has also sent the sample packs for face, which I'm so happy about, because as I said, I wanted to try this brand out. So for the face, we have the face scrub, and we also have the face wash, and we have their face mask. This will also be very useful while traveling. So this mini pouch can be used as a travel bag. Also got this Insight Cosmetics lip balm. It is again a tinted lip balm because it's winter. I want my lips to be obviously nourished, but I don't want to apply a lipstick. So I think lip tints will do the job. Different new brand. For me it was new. I don't know how many of you have tried this. This is the Nat Habit hair oil. So I've never tried any of the products. So here you can find out there are dried leaves in the bottle, and this is the Summer Dasabuti. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It is the Hibiscus Amla hair growth oil. So I'm excited to try this as well. So I've also got the Detox face pack, oil acne blackhead control face pack. I am also going to try these out. Then we have this Dot & Key retinol cream again. As I said, I've got lot of products, night creams which has retinol, but it's not like retinol is the only ingredient. For this it has retinol and ceramide. For the other products there were other powerful ingredients along with retinol. Then I've got this hair top hair serum, and I've also got this minoxidil. These are something suggested by dermatologists because I have been noticing that my hair density is thinning like anything since I've been moved to Bangalore. I've also got the Clean and Dry Intimate Wash. That's it for all the products that I have got, but now comes the products that I'm grateful and happy for. So these are the ones that brands have sent me, either to try out or maybe to just show it to you guys. So yes, let's begin now. So first is this brand LA or La Ping, and I've got their face wash. This is their brightening face wash which has white haldi and other ingredients. And then I have the sunscreen SPF 50 PA triple plus. Sorry, it's 4 plus. So this packaging is so good. This is something very different. I'm going to try this out and share my opinion soon in my channel. This brand who has reached out to me, it's an Ayurvedic brand. They have sent me the Arogya Netram. So it has an eye drop as well as a medicine. The eye drop is just to remove the dirt and the germs and to like make your eyes hydrated again. So this is the eye drop, and these are the capsules that you can use to provide the necessary multivitamins and all the necessary nutrition for your eyes. Then I have got something from this brand London Glow. I've got 3 of these products. One I gave to my sister and the other one to my mother. So this is the face powder, and it smells so good. You will just remember the time when we used to use this Fair and Lovely White Magic wala powders. Then I have this Soulflower Rosemary Hair Growth Serum. Then I have this brand Leaford. They have sent few of their stuff. So first is their face wash. We have also got their glow serum, and then we have the eye serum, and then lastly I have this illuminating cream. I'm so excited to try all these ingredients and to include them in my skincare routine. And lastly I've got this product which I have not opened yet, and I'm going to open it right now. Any guesses what this product is? This is basically a cervical pillow. There's this brand Sleepzia. I've sent this cervical pillow, and this has this shape to like support your neck and spine. So yeah, these were all the products that I wanted to show it to you guys. So do subscribe so I can again meet you guys in my next video. Bye bye, take care.